welcome to another edition of Virtual Storefronts Hidden Features. Put an icon on your home screen that takes you straight into our website, and it even saves your password. As you can see here, it took me to where I last left off at, which is on the plus symbol, hit my feed. So we're covering my feed and how this works. You can see left and right. You can dismiss it, you can save or pin a storefront you're already following. As you know, we already covered that. You click up here in the search bar, you've got these little thumbs up next to storefronts I'm already following. So I got several more since the last time I demonstrated it. And so I click over here, my VS awning, and it takes me back home to my feed or to where I last left off at. But meanwhile, you want to follow communities. And the reason you want to follow a town live feed is because under my feed, I only know about the stores I know about. I mean, I only will see the stuff I want to see, and it's a great way to filter out. But if I want to know what's going on in the community, I want to have access to all the feed that comes in from that community. So the way we got that sorted out is you click the plus symbol, and the plus symbol you can go to like Murphy, and you can choose between 5, 10, or 25 miles. I choose 25 miles so I can get most of Cherokee County. And over in the top right corner, there's a little white thumbs up. I'm going to make that red. That means I'm now following the Murphy NC live feed. That's the town live feed. So what I do is hit the VS awning, and I click on that, and that takes me back. And when I do, there we go. And you can see I got a new tab right there, and it shows I have Murphy town live feed, and it'll include all the shops, even those that I'm not following that has live feed out there, so that I can see all the activity that's going on in the local community. And thank you for following Virtual Storefronts. Have a great day.